Hi everyone, it's Anna here. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a custom header and footer with WPResidence Studio templates and Elementor free. I will also show you how you can assign the header and footer to different pages or categories from the site. First, make sure that WPResidence Studio plugin version 5.2.0 is installed and active. You can install it from the Install Plugins notice or from WPResidence Site Settings plugins. Once it's active, you'll see a new menu called WpResidence Studio Template. From here, you can create custom templates for specific parts of your site, including the header, footer, property pages, and more. To get started, click Add New WpResidence Studio Template. Give your template a name and then choose header or footer as a template type for dropdown. Elementor has a full width template system. If you select yes from the second dropdown, you will be using the Elementor full width settings, and by default, you will override the theme content. I will do a header template first. I will publish the template. When you refresh the page, you will see new options for display controls. Don't assign this yet. I recommend you finish the design first. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Visual Builder, and from the left side you will have a section for header and footer widgets to choose from. But you can also start from one of our pre-built examples. Just click on the WpResidence icon in the editor, go to the header section and choose one of the ready-made designs. Then simply click Insert to load the template. In this example, we have the navigation menu widget for the main menu, and we have the phone number widget for the contact info. We also added the user login widget, which we styled with the Elementor style options, and we added the site logo, which is loading from theme options, your logo. All these elements are fully customizable: font, color, spacing, and even responsive settings. For each of the elements in this example, you have controls for the colors, you have controls for the fonts typography. You have control also for the hover menu effect and many other details available in the WpResidence header widget. There is even a mobile menu toggle for your navigation built in the main widget. You can control the colors and also the position of this mobile menu using Elementor and the styling options available for the widgets. When the design is ready, you click Publish to update the changes. Then you go back to the WpResidence Studio screen, you edit the template you created, and we control the display. From the display rules, you can control to apply your new template to the entire site. You can choose to apply it only through specific page types, like only to properties, agents, agencies, and so on. There are very many options available. You can even go to apply the header just to a specific category related to a specific post. You can also choose to disable the template from a specific section, like for example, you want to entire website except the singular posts. The same steps can be done to create a footer template. In this demo, we already have a footer template created. We assigned it to show to all pages throughout the site. When you edit it with Elementor, you can do changes to the content, colors, and so on. You have footer templates to import if you wish to start with an already built template, and you can also assign the footer to the half map templates if you wish to from theme options footer layout. And that's it. Now you have a fully custom header or footer that was with Elementor free and is 100% integrated with the WpResidence theme. In the next video, I'll show you how to design a custom template for your single property page. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for full documentation.